Hello everyone, it's Chen, and today we're going to dig deep in Hideout TV. Hopefully I will provide you with an ultimate guide of this platform. You may know Hideout TV as a platform where you can get paid watching video. For example, what I've been doing right now is to mute the sound and just let the video play. And then you get rewards for the points and redeem it. So I used to redeem it with Spotbucks, but until recently I find out how to optimize this. And also, what you're looking at is actually my channel. So I can not only get paid by watching video, but also by uploading. So let me just show you my channel so far. So as you can see, it's getting very close to 80K right now, and that earns me around 1 second here. So you can see here I have earnings here already. So that's earned me close to $8. So they will pay you 1 cent for every 100 views. But before we go to uploading, I think that's more difficult part. Let's just start with watching videos. So you may wonder, how could a platform make money by giving people money to watching videos? The answer is advertising. Actually, you didn't get anything from just watching the video content. How you get the point is by watching ads. As you can see, one trick here is you need to watch channels with short videos because the content doesn't matter. It's the ads. This explains it very well. So the advertisers actually pays for everything. And one trick of this business model is you won't be able to earn too much from just watching the video, because otherwise the platform cannot afford it. For example, let me show you my earning history very quick. Loyalty program rewards. Now I have like 1700 points so far, and look my history. Like every day I get earned like maybe 30 cents or something. This is with multiply, so actually it's like 100 coins is 1 cent. So you can get an idea of how much money. It's stable, but it doesn't pay too much. And you can see I have been for a long time just using Swagbucks, but now I'm going to show you why it could be a bad idea to use Swagbucks. Okay, another of my video starts. So let's just continue with the redeem. As you can see the points here, I have linked 3 accounts so far, and the rewards can vary from platform to platform. With Swagbucks, this is only like 76 Swagbucks, which is 76 cents. But with Multiply, that's 97 cents. And the partner I would recommend is GG2U. That's like 191 points. But how does this convert to cents? Stay tuned, it's getting a little complicated here. Let's just choose this one because I guarantee this is the best option. Let's just redeem. Okay. And let it continue to play. Mute channel, okay. And we come to GG2U. So on GG2U, the tricky part is here. You get when you do other tasks, you get paid in coins, and 100 coins is $1. You can pay out once you get $7. But with videos, you get video points instead. And this is a bar that can give you a silver token when you get 200 points. And I used to have 11 points here, so it actually gives me 1 silver token and start back again into 2 points. So how do we convert this into coins? It's actually here, the silver view. And you have 2 options here. So 200 coins. So either you can get it stably, $1.6, or you can try a luck to do the wheel. For fun, let's just do the wheel. Click to spin, and let's see if we get higher or lower. Okay, well. So that's bad luck, but we get like a $1. That's still more than what Quadruply may offer. So I guess maybe next time I will just not do the wheel, just get 1.6 US dollars. I guess I get lucky last time, and so this is the better way to earn money. And let's go back to the reward here. So the payout goes this way. Every 9 hideout points, you can get 1 video points. And if you get 200 video points, it can be converted into 1 silver token, which can be converted to $1.6 if I didn't do the wheel. So it's like every 9 points here can be converted to 8 cents. So, but why do I still choose like Swagbucks and others before? That's because I also made my goal is like this month I aim to hit the daily goal every day. So as you can see, there are some days where I didn't want to do a task, and then Hideout TV becomes an easy way of getting money. And like today, I don't have to do it. I only need 3 more points. And you can see that's what I did so far for today. And thanks to this content discovery, also a passive income. And today with I still haven't done the daily crits, and it's very easy. I hit this goal. So now today I can use GG2U. So it's only the beginning of this month. I think maybe by the end of this week I can get $7 to redeem that. And I will definitely not try my luck again. And as you can find out, there seems to be also other ways where you can earn by watching videos, but they give you coins instead. So this is something maybe confusing because with Hideout TV, what you get is video points, but with others, you get coins. And as I try out, the video fox didn't work at all. And this one is like you have to manually click every 1 or 2 minutes, and watch 20 video to get 2 coins, which is lots of effort. So definitely not recommended. So we have so far covered earning by watching video. I will also recommend is by uploading video. So let's go back to my channel. So let's see the earnings we got so far. We got more views because just as we were talking, like people are watching my videos, and so I get paid more. Like my channel here, One Take Tour. See, very close to 80,000. So if you want to choose a channel which can help you maximize the earning, you probably want to choose one with short videos. So that is something I'm aiming to create. Like every video here is very short. And on the other side, it's also very easy to make. And luckily how I made this video, because I happen to have a lot of footages with me. Like for example, here when I see a show, I just take the footage of that. Let's forget this about. And I'm also a very big fan of VR, so I got this VR camera and carry around all the time, and I have a lot of footages, but I haven't been able to find the time to make use of them. So this gives me a perfect opportunity to make that. So I happen to have all these footages with VR, and right now I'm trying to uploading video regularly, but once I've done that, I have been creating an asset which can generate a source of income even if I'm doing nothing. I will show you a breakdown of my earning and do some analytics in the end. But now let's talk about Hideout TV, because I think in order to understand this opportunity, I also dig deep into this platform. As you can see here, it's owned by the AdSense Media. You may find it a lot of time in different offer walls with different get paid to do website. And what I found out is every platform that you can make money by watching video is created by them. For example, Engage Me TV, and here Smoke the TV, and now Hideout TV launches, and like everything else is actually become a part of Hideout TV. For example, let's just do a. Let me just show you Engage Me TV. So you can see it is moving to Hideout TV. It will redirect automatically. And here, this one, they say the relationship between these two, and this one is like an advertising company. And here, Smart.tv has been a part of Hideout TV. So this becomes the only platform to do so. And if you find out more, you can see this is actually a very legitimate platform. They are trying to do something very good. So don't just see it as a platform to earn money, although it is very important. But just think of the industry right now. When you have something like YouTube out there, how do you start a new channel? So they are trying to give us both audience and the uploader a little reward so that we can use this platform. But actually, apart from trying watching video, I did, opening the tab and doing nothing, there are people actually engaging with that content. For example, let me show you here. I actually got those comments and likes. There are some people watching it. Maybe they are from different countries. So a lot of comments didn't understand. I just like the ones I do. And when you look at their pages, where is earn reward for watching? It's right here near the bottom. They want to see they are presenting the better content. So the way they control it is they manually see each video. Only the video get approved can be shown at this platform. Let me show you very quickly. So here, when you upload the video, it goes to here. It shows spending. But at this stage, there's still not very competitive here. You can find this quality of video all over. And if you want to start a YouTube channel today, it's so competitive. But here you still have a chance if you are a content creator like me. So that's why I think this Hideout TV can be a threat to YouTube, perhaps in the long run, by paying the audience just a little money. You can't get rich by getting a 30 or 40 cents a day, but it's just offer you something to stay on the platform. And probably you will notice something like my channel or something and for me, besides being short, I do think my channel has some value as so we're hitting 80K right now, because it allows you to be into other places, shows you for example, let's just close this one before we open this one, because there's they are very strict with how many applications can be run. This one will give you a tour into a garden, so help you relax. And I think I'm doing something valuable for earning money, and I'm now earn both by watching videos, getting the rewards, and by uploading. And finally, let me show you how I've been able to document the process and see the growth. So as you can see here, actually I noticed the growth like a week ago or something. So when I first writing up to my channel manager about like how I get paid by the videos, I only have like a 5K or 10K, and then I noticed the growth is like this. Now we are getting like 80 right now. So let's just do that. See the growth. It's becoming very exponential. And starting from the end of May, I started documenting each day how many views I get, how many subscribers I get, and the growth. And as you can see, start from 2 days ago, I also start to documenting, like just take a screenshot of this video and take down the number of the views. So as you can see, a new video gets 500, like earned me 5 cents one day. And some of the videos become very popular, like this one. I think it's become favored by the channel. But what's interesting yesterday is some of the, like this video suddenly get very popular. A lot of people are watching it. I don't know why and what happened, but as you can see, like today it's already 50K growth in views today. Maybe we can get something close to 20, and maybe tomorrow we'll get hit 100K. So if I stop today, I guess the growth in view will still continue, but I'm trying my best to produce more video during these months because I still have the footage and I'm stuck in New York, unable to do anything else. So, and I guess, yeah, that's it for like today. Just have the analytics, figure out the strategy. Like for me, for Swagbucks, I'm trying to hit the daily goal. And for Hideout TV, the earnings I made from watching video will go to GG2U. I will cash out when I get $7. And I guess there's also a bonus when you cash out like 5 times, something. Yeah, that's it. And this video can help you know more about Hideout TV. And please stay tuned and explore more because I also have much more to offer besides how to make passive income.